miner's son, raised in the earth till I was 21. But I had a dream that there's gold in the sand, in a new country where the mountains stand. I'm going down to California. The weather's nice and the days are warm. Yeah, a prospector I will be. All the gold will belong to me. Well, I hitched a ride on a train. I packed my bags and I left that day. Said, goodbye, Mom, leaving town. I'll be back someday with a shiny crown. I'm going down to California. The weather's nice and the days are warm. Yeah, a prospector I will be. All the gold will belong to me.
This is the story of a 15-year-old boy named Tommy who lives with his mother near the American River in Northern California. Life is hard, and the money they earn is barely enough to get by. Hearing stories about gold in the river, Tommy dreams of becoming a prospector. He hopes to find gold and build a better home for his mother. One day, driven by hope, he leaves home to search for gold, promising not to return until his dream comes true. Tommy is heading to the American River with a pan, carrying with him items such as a pan, a gold detector, and a map, while his dog is following him. As the sun is setting, he's pitching his tent up in the highlands and cooking dinner over the fire he's building, while his dog is eating his dinner right there. While Tommy is panning for gold, he spots a bear and takes off running in fear. He's panning for gold at every spot along the river where he thinks there might be gold. Beep, beep, beep. Tommy's metal detector is suddenly ringing out. He and his dog are digging through the dirt with excitement, only to uncover a rusty old food can, a disappointing find. Hey buddy, come on. We should save nature, Tommy says, as he and his dog are picking up rusted cans left behind by old miners along the river. Tommy never gives up. Together with his dog, he combs the river bit by bit, searching for gold. Tommy finds a big gold nugget in the river. Yeehaw! He shouts, jumping with joy. His dog barks and spins around him, wagging its tail. Tommy is now heading home, carrying a lot of money from selling the gold.
Let's explore new vocabulary from the story.
Barely. Barely means in a way that is just possible but only with difficulty, or in a way that almost does not happen or exist. For example, he was so tired he could barely keep his eyes open.
Dream. A dream is a strong hope or wish for the future. For example, her dream is to become a doctor one day.
Search for something. Search for something means to try to find something by looking carefully or asking questions. For instance, I'm searching for my keys. I think I left them inside.
Heading to somewhere. Heading to somewhere means going to a place or moving in the direction of a destination. For example, I'm heading to the store to buy some milk.
Well, I woke up this morning and I saw a dog. I opened my eyes and saw my mom. It was one of those beautiful summer mornings. And so I made my way to the country store to buy some milk, and I couldn't ask for more. I made my way to the country store. As I walked outside, I saw the sun, and there was a bird in a tree singing a song, and there were flowers growing everywhere. And so I made my way to the country store to buy some milk, and I couldn't ask for more. I made my way to the country store. Children playing outside in the sun, and I felt so good I thought I might run. But then I realized I had nowhere to go. And so I made my way to the country store to buy some milk, and I couldn't ask for more. store.
Pitching the tent up. Pitching the tent up means putting up a tent or setting up a tent. For example, as the sun was setting, the Goofy pitching the tent up near the lake.
Rusty. Rusty means covered with rust or corroded, meaning metal that has oxidized and formed rust. For instance, the old bike was rusty after sitting in the rain for years.
Disappointing. Disappointing means something that makes you feel sad, unhappy, or let down because it was not as good as you expected. For example, the food looked great, but the taste was disappointing.
Pick up. Pick up as a phrasal verb means to lift something from the ground. For example, she picked up the coin from the floor.
Pick up also means to collect or fetch someone or something. For example, he picked up the package from the store.
Gold nugget. A gold nugget is a small, natural piece of gold found in the ground or in rivers. It has not been shaped or processed by people. For example, the miner found a shiny gold nugget in the river.
Thank you for watching our show. Please like and subscribe and share with everyone you know.